In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Evernote notebooks seamlessly. It's a handy skill to have, especially if you want to ensure that all your important notes are safely stored and accessible outside of Evernote. Now keep in mind, this process is only possible using the Evernote desktop app, not through the web or mobile versions. So let's dive in. First, fire up your Evernote desktop application. Once it's open, you'll see your notebooks displayed in the left panel. It's kind of like a virtual filing cabinet holding all your collected thoughts, ideas, and important information. Now, from that left panel, scroll through to locate and select the specific notebook you'd like to back up. With your chosen notebook selected, look just above the note list. You'll see a small three-dot menu icon. This is a versatile tool that gives you more options for managing your notebook. Click on that three-dot menu. Alternatively, for those who prefer shortcuts, you can also right-click on the notebook itself. Either way, a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, what you're going to look for is the option that says Export Notebook. It's a straightforward indication of what we're aiming to do, exporting or backing up your precious notes. Click on that. Now, exporting comes with choices, and Evernote provides a couple of options for format. The first one is the ENX format, with the file extension ENX. This is your go-to choice if you want to retain everything, all your content, any metadata, your meticulously organized tags, and even attachments. It's a comprehensive package, keeping the integrity of your notes intact. Alternatively, if you prefer something simpler or you're looking for direct browser compatibility, you can opt for the HTML format. It's more basic, certainly, but viewable directly in most web browsers, making it an excellent choice if you're looking to share the content or view it outside of the Evernote environment without needing to re-import it. Once you've chosen your desired format, spare a moment to customize the export settings. You can decide whether you'd like to include tags and dates with your export. These options are useful for maintaining an organized archive. After you've configured these settings to your satisfaction, it's time to hit Export. A prompt will then appear, asking you where you'd like to save the file on your computer. Choose a memorable location so you can easily retrieve it later, and don't forget to give it a name that makes sense to you. You'll need to repeat this process for each individual notebook you want to back up. But once you've done it a couple of times, it'll become second nature. And there you have it, a straightforward, effective way to ensure your Evernote notebooks are securely backed up, safeguarding your information whenever you need it. Safe and successful exporting.